Gracie, may kuhanap music. Okay, today I wanted to talk about welding fans because I know one technique which I used. I would like to show you. Maybe I will open up the scene once again. Today I wanted to show you one of the techniques how to use to weld fans in a professional way. I'm using the Blender version 4.2.3. The reason why I'm not using the latest 4.3.0 release candidate because of these surfaces add-on which doesn't work in beta version, the latest one. Okay, today I will show you when you connect face and you see corner here. I know how to do that in Blender. First of all, in the scene I will add a plane because we need object. Then in viewport, when you hit 5 button on your keyboard, numpad, when you see 4 arrows and in the middle button 5, we need to go to orthographic viewport. You can use a numpad. Okay, cursor to select it, Shift S. If you want to rotate it to be accurate, we need to turn snapping on. I think I was thinking to snap to the grid, people. If you really consider it to be very accurate, you can snap to the grid. So we have exactly in the middle. Then we use increment because we will be rotating our plane. So we need to be very accurate. After that, this object we will use for mirror modifier to rotate our fans. Okay, now we will go to modifiers, add generate mirror, and we need to choose mirror object because this we will use to rotate copy of the fans. And after that, maybe I will switch to orthographic viewport so you can see what I'm doing. Actually, I shouldn't turn this off. Give me a few seconds because I will have to, maybe I will have to move this a little bit lower. I wonder why I can't see the grid. I need the, okay, grid. I was thinking, I wish the grid could be lifted up. Let me know if I can manipulate grid alone in Blender. Okay, never mind. This is more important to show to you. Okay, when you move this, you see corner of the fence. It is still possible to weld this. We have merged. Oh, this is interesting, but I didn't use this. We also have to use clipping and merge distance. This is a little bit too much. If you want this to be visible, we can use we can turn in edit mode this, and also we can use X-ray, so you can see what vertices we can move, and some of the vertices we can actually move. 3D cursor. If you pull up vertices, you can see I properly welded fence, but please make sure if you have polygon which doesn't have open space inside, but actually I have to double check something. We still need to if polygon doesn't have open open, doesn't have hole, you still have to remove unnecessary polygon from the inside. Okay, we can remove. I'm talking about this because I will explain to you. You see this polygon? This is closed polygon. Sometimes you have to delete polygon when you weld the same object. If this has hole, for example, okay, view. We just have to check something. Lock to 3D cursor. Shift S cursor to selected. I have to switch to our perspective viewport because sometimes mirror modifier works better if you delete that polygon. This is why I was showing you in a corner of the furnace, because this, when you turn X-ray, now it has open, it is properly welded. Merge distance, we use the higher value, not a millimeter, but 1 meter. So you can see how this is being welded because we pulled up vertices. We will do the same here. You can see vertices here. That belongs to that polygon. We need to pull up this little bit. And it depends how much how much merge distance we use, how big merge distance value we use. I'm interested in why this data is here. This is probably for connecting texture, I believe. I don't know. I see some other settings, but I won't be talking about it because I think what I'm talking right now is more important about this. You also have to consider deleting polygons here from the inside. Okay. Oh, now it's properly welded. You can see the fans here. After that, you can apply your modifier. Apply. If you still need to use this object, that's fine. Control Shift Alt C. Origin to geometry. Shift S. Cursor to selected. You can see we welded our fans without any problems. You can still bevel it, but please make sure before you bevel, you go to mesh, normals, recalculate outside, and you also apply scale in case bevel doesn't work. I just have to check if I can weld the corners of the fans properly. Now we have proper fans. I hope you like my video tutorial, people, and enjoy watching this on my channel. Now I just have to check because I made some critical mistakes here. I moved the vertices accidentally. Oh no. Oh no. I should... Oh no, I probably didn't see what I was doing with my mesh. I can still fix that. I was working too quick with polygon object. Make sure you don't rush when you do something important with your polygon mesh, because this can lead to errors and mistakes, and you will mess up with polygon. Make sure you, because I connected some other elements. But apart from that, everything else seems to be working with my mesh, and I also applied textures from Ambient CG web page. And after that, our ready object, I will save it, and I will use command revert. This will delete undo operations and will speed up Little Big Blender. And I hope you like my video tutorial how to properly weld and how to properly use mirror modifier for fans objects.